Hi guys, I am Rosanna Ginhawa from IT2103. Welcome to my vlog. First, from our activity, we have to answer all the activity from chapters 1. So this is the first activity that we have to answer. So, network component representations and functions. So first, I will answer it. So, from the device category and devices. So, ang function niya is provides an interface between the human and the network. So, based on my understanding, end devices is a source or destination device in a network system. For example, a user's PC is an end devices, and so is a server network, switches, routers, and other equipments works in between to enable messages to travel from one end devices to another. So from intermediary devices, which is function is provides connectivity and ensure data flows across the network. So intermediary network device is connects the individuals and devices in the networks that can connect to the multiple individuals network to create or form a internetwork. This device provide the connectivity to ensure that it flows occurs to the network. And the third one is the network media. So network media provides a channel for messages to travel from source to destination. And network media is the actual path over which an signal travels as it moves from one component to another. So from the network media, there are three types of media, which is metallic wires within cables. From this, data is encoded into electric impulses. And the second one is the glass or plastic fibers, that the data is encoded as pulses of light. And the third one is the wired transmission, which is the data is encoded using wavelengths from the electronic spectrum. So we have to check this. So from the second one, which is, we have to answer this also. So we have to drag the representation of the devices category. Then check if you're done. So from this, you have to drag the names of the of this representation. So first, the printer. So this is the printer. So next is the desktop. This is the desktop computer. And this is the iPhone. This is the laptop. This is the telepresence endpoint. And where's the tablet? The wireless tablet. So this is the router. And this is the wireless router. This is the firewall appliance. This is the multiplayer switch. And this is the LAN switch. This is the WAN media. This is the wireless media. And this is the LAN media. So from this activity, from the device category and devices, and its function provides an interface between the human and the network. So representation is the iPhone, laptop, wireless tablet, desktop computer, printer, and telepresence endpoint. From the intermediary devices that provides connectivity and ensure the data flows across the network, which is the firewall appliance, LAN switch, router, wireless router, multiplayer switch. Then from the network media, which provides a channel for messages to travel from source to destination. So siya po yung mga media na WAN media, wireless media, and LAN media. So from the second activity is this, which is activity, network architecture requirements. So first, I will discuss the meaning of fault tolerance, scalability, quality of service, and security. So first, fault tolerance. Fault tolerance is the property that enables a system to continue operating properly in the event of the failure of one or more faults within same of its components. And from the scalability. Scalability is an attribute that describes the ability of a process, network, software, or organization to grow and manage increased demand. A system, business, or software that is described as scalable has an advantage because it is more adaptable to the changing needs or demands. From the quality service. Quality service is the QoS refers to any technology that manages data traffic to reduce packets loss and filter on the network. It also controls and manages network resources by setting priorities for specific types of data on the network. So from number 1, network should always be available. It should be fault tolerance. And from the number 2, priority queues are implemented when demand for network bandwidth exceeds supply, and its quality of service. Business and personal network equipment must be protected, and that is from security. Number 4, developing a plan for priority queuing is a strategy for quality delivery of information. Quality of service. Business and personal data must be protected. Its security. Networks can grow or expand with minimal impact on performance. It is scalability. Data can travel through more than one route for delivery from a remote source. It is fault tolerance. Common network standards allow hardware and software vendors to focus on product improvements and services, and it is scalability. So the next activity. Identify network security terminology. First, I will answer. So first, from the terminology, an attack which slows down or crashes equipment and programs, and it is denial of service. Creates a secure connection for remote workers. It is virtual private network or VPN. Blocks unauthorized access to your network. Firewall. Network attacks that occurs on the first day that a vulnerability becomes known. 0-day or HAR. Arbitrary code running on a user's device. Virus, worm, or Trojan horse. And that's all for chapter 1. So thank you guys for watching.